Jitoko, born in October 1949, subsequently became a high court barrister in 1978. Over a 40-year career, he rose to prominence as a legal authority across the South Pacific.
Mr. Speaker, you also visited a local legislative outreach office in Shanghai and spoke highly about how this mechanism helped to convey the voices of the grassroots all the way to the top of legislative authority. So in what way do you think this model could be inspirational or helpful to the legislative system in your country?
I am a lawyer by profession, right? And I had practiced as a judge for a long time. Mm-hmm. And one of the things that always occur when people appear before the court is that they don't know about the law. They don't know. The ignorance of the law is no excuse, right? It brings me to the consultation process of the law, where the grassroots level are involved in making submissions on how the law should operate against and affecting them. If the law proceeds right to its conclusion, when it's enacted into law, they become part of it. They own the law, as it were. So they say, that's our law, because we brought it into
They feel relevant and responsible.
It's relevant, it's responsible. And that is why it helps the population follow the law, because it's part of what they want to bring in and to govern their communities. Mm-hmm. I believe strongly in that. And what I was pointing out in our case, where the laws go down to the village level, its decision is made at a certain level. It does not go to consultation process, as it happens in the example which you were referring to in Shanghai. Mm-hmm. And that is why the process of consultation of the people at grassroots is so important. And I think what the other important element is that in these communities, they are not only Chinese, they are also people who are non-Chinese. Mm-hmm. And they also make submissions. So it's not only that it's only the laws that have been created are made from the locals, but also their own visitors who become residents and are there. And that, to me, becomes a much more all-embracing law than just what I was thinking for. And I believe President Xi's concept of democratization of the people is something that we may have to learn from or borrow from.
So how has your understanding of the whole process, people's democracy, evolved as a result of your trip?
It makes it much more clearer to me, understanding the process of democracy in the Chinese sense. Right? It's much more towards the all-embracing nature of consultation, which we're talking about, and the involvement of the people up to even to the grassroots level, and be part of that decision-making makes it important in terms of their following the law, owning the law, and being part of the system.